Hi all, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So it is Friday today and I'm starting my vlog from evening क्योंकि मैं जा रही हूँ अपने favorite जगह and it's a bakery. So I recently found out this bakery because they make sourdough breads and I love sourdough breads. Why I love sourdough breads? Because it's naturally fermented bread and they don't use yeast in it. So I thought I'll take you all along and I'll show you all a few places in and around Costa Rica and Heredia basically where I stay. Make some of my favorite desserts. So I thought I'll go and pick some stuff up and I'll take you all along with me and show a little in and around Costa Rica, basically Heredia where I stay. So let's go. Also, I'm planning to make burgers today. So if I find burger buns there, so I will definitely make some burgers for dinner and I will definitely show you all the recipe. So let's go. Hi Vivi.
Hello.
So this is Vivita, my friend. Vivi, are you going to Dubai?
Yes,
For how long?
3 months.
Yes, I'm gonna show you all what I got. And this has to go in the fridge, so I'm gonna show you all first. Ooh. Oh, it looks so nice. These are the desserts I was talking about. This is eclair and this is lemon tart. Okay, so I keep this in the fridge. I brought some breadsticks. There is some bagel. I was gonna count in between. Okay. And this is the sourdough bread I was talking about. That's it. I didn't find burger buns, so we're gonna make burgers with bagels.
Yeah, very good. Cookie Shashikal किधर कर दे? Shashikal. Sí, hola, ¿cómo está? Ba 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 ba. These toys are all around.
So these pigeons I thought were trying to build a nest. I was not sure what they were doing, but they used to always come to eat food and all. So I thought they are normal pigeons, but when they were trying to build a nest, I thought I got a little intrigued to research on them a little more, and they are called white winged dove. Yeah, if you can clearly notice, they have a nice white lining on their wings, and they also have two blue spots on their neck which look like earrings. So these are two of the three distinctive factors. Third being they have brown eyes. So I'm not sure if they're building a nest or what they're doing, but of course I'll keep you all posted. So food I've already put for them. There they are. So I thought I'll keep some water here where Ivan won't fidget with it, otherwise he's gonna drop everything. And I don't want to scare them away too. There they are, if you can see them.
Tunnel is not going on the tunnel. Tunnel is blocked. What happened?
Cookie, the train wants to pass through the tunnel.
Very good. Train, crash.
If it doesn't want to make the sound, yeah.
छेती छेती ट्रेन जा रही है. Go get the train. Cookie, train किथे आ?
Go.
So as I told you all, we're going to make burgers. So I didn't make the patties. These are ready patties. We're just frying them. And we had made some biryani, which is almost over. And yeah, that's the dinner for it. So husband has taken Ivan for a shower and I'm making the burger patties there. There's little biryani left from lunch. So that's all. That will be our dinner. A little biryani and a burger.
So our burger was simple. I just cut the bagel. I put a tomato. I didn't have lettuce. If you have lettuce, you can keep a lettuce too. Keep the burger patty, a slice of cheese, a little bit of mayo and ketchup, and our burger is ready. And of course, the ending, the dessert which I bought, it was delicious.
So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If so, do hit the like button, and if you all have not subscribed yet, do consider subscribing. I will see you with another video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.